So for this screen recording, I am talking about the cloud thing. I can't remember the specific title. The cloud storage and sharing tools. I chose Google Drive because that's what I'm most familiar with. So for setup, I have folders for all of my classes. I had that set up beforehand. I don't have very much in any of my folders because classes have only been around for a week. I have most of my stuff in this one. In here, I have my 2 assignments that I've done to complete my badges. And if you go back, if you right click, or on a Mac, you click with 2 fingers, it gives you options to share a folder. And I'll go inside and show you how to share a specific document. So you would type the email. So my friend Becky said I could use hers. So you would do the email, and then you would check and make sure they can organize and edit, and then you would send, and then you go into the thing. And if I wanted to send my PowerPoint, I would double tap with 2 fingers again, or right click, and I would do the same thing. I would type out the email, and then I would press send, and it's all just the same process and idea.